Hello everyone, welcome back to another dance tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography of Kalyani. I have tried my best to break down every step and explain everything as simple as possible. So even if you are a beginner or learning this choreography for the first time, it will be easy to follow along. We learn it slowly, step by step, and I'll repeat each section so you have enough time to practice before moving on. So let's get started. The video is flipped, so this is your right and this is left. So for the first step, with your left hand, you have to just grab your skirt and your right will be placed up in this mudra. Okay, hold this mudra, turn it outwards and over your head. Okay, and with the left hand, you can either just grab your skirt or you can place it on your hips like this. I prefer grabbing my skirt, so I'm going with it. And your left leg should be forward and bent, and you will go 1, 2. Okay, so for that your right hand, it will just move up and down. Okay, your right hand will just move up and down like this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, and your hips, you have to just lift it. Okay, your left hip, lift and put it down. Okay, lift and down. Okay, so it will look 1, 2. Okay, then 3, 4. So for that, you have to just move your left shoulder to the right. Also bend your body a bit. Then come back. Okay. So 1 and 2. Like a wave. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Then you will go 3, 4. I hope it was clear. 3, 4. Okay. Like a wave. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next step, bring your left hand over your head too. In this mudra, your palms facing to the front like this. Then you'll go 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Okay, so for that, your left hand will be over your head. Then your right will be over your head. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. Like this. Okay, along with that, you can also move your hips. Okay, so for the easier movement of your hips, you can just lift your leg one by one. Okay, like this, so that the hip movements will be very clear. Okay, then you will go 3, 4. Okay, so for that, your hands after 1, 2, then just lift, then down. Okay, I hope it was clear. So from here, your hands will go together 1, 2, then up, down. Okay, so 1, 2, then up, down. Okay, while doing that up and down, you can also lift your heels so that your entire body will go up and you can come down. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then rotate. Okay. So for that, you can just rotate your hands like this. First to the left, then to the right. Okay. Just rotate. And along with that, you should also move your hips. Okay. Rotate your hips like this. Okay. So for that, first bend your knees. Then lift your left hip. Then lift the front part. Then lift your right hip. Then down. And when you do it a little bit fast, it will go like this, like a rotation. Okay, so left up, front, then right. Okay, like this. I hope it was clear. So I'll show you again. From the side, it will be looking like this. Okay, so 1, 1. Okay, I hope it was clear. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist. Now bring both your hands down, your left in front of your chest, and with the right just shoot. Your right hand like a gun, and then just shoot to the left, then to the right, like this. Okay. So from here, it will go 1, 2. Okay. Then after that, turn to your left. Then you will go 3, 4. Okay. Your left hand should be on your hips and your right hand will go 3, 4. Then you should rotate your hips twice. 1, 2. Okay. So for that, with your left hand, you should tap on your hips like this. Tap twice, and while doing it, you should also rotate your hips. Okay. Tap, rotate, tap, rotate. Okay. Like this. Okay. Tap, rotate, tap, rotate. You should do this facing to the left side. Okay. So tap, rotate, tap, rotate. Okay. I forgot to mention one thing, that is after this step, after 1, 2, you will be facing to the left. From there, you should face to the front. Okay. Then after that, you should do this rotation. Okay. So your head from left face to the front and rotate. Okay. Move your head like this. Okay. Now after that, after this rotation, you will go 1, 2, 3 and step. Okay. So for that, you'll be standing like this, right? So from there, you'll do a wave. Okay. So for doing this wave, first you have to pop your chest out, then in, then your abdomen in, and then your hips like this. Okay. The same way to the right. Okay. So first you will do to the left, then you will do to the right side. Okay. So while doing it, your hands will go like this. Okay. So while you're doing the wave to the left, take your right hand and on your left shoulder, just move it this way. Then the other side, like this. Like this. Okay. So this is how it will look. So you will do it while doing the wave. So after this rotation, you will go 1, 2, then stand straight facing the front. Then you will do a wave to the front. The same wave but to the front, like this. Okay. You can just place your hand on your hips. Then you will take a few steps to the front. Okay. So after this rotation, 1, 2, you will go 1, 2, 3 and step. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rotate. Shoot, shoot. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and step, step. And that's it for the part 1 of Kalyani dance tutorial. I honestly wanted to include the entire choreography in a single video, but it was getting way too long. So I decided to split it into parts to make it easier to follow and practice. Don't worry, I'll be uploading the remaining parts very soon, so stay tuned. Until then, keep practicing this section, and once you're comfortable with it, you will be ready for the next part. You will get the mirrored, slowed and normal speed version of this choreo along with the song on my YouTube shorts. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, thank you for all your love and support.